Yeah, you alright, mate?
Good.
BMW. Nice. That's incredible. My main concern was that pipe, but I take it it's okay?
No, it's all good. You see there? That's, I think, is your air filter.
Oh, that's fine then, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because that just goes
So
there.
exactly there.
Yeah.
That one is not very good position on the fan. I think it doesn't matter.
Crazy that that is all fine.
Yeah, yeah. And it's exactly
By some luck.
I think in that place.
Yeah.
You know, like this.
I know.
It's not touching nothing.
And the water just will flow onto here and...
On this place.
Yeah.
You make these holes for the washers.
Oh, yeah.
Of course, there's no point, but 100% is going inside.
Of course, yeah.
You try to glue it in.
Maybe.
It works perfectly. Like,
Oh, yeah. Oh, mate.
that's it. If you want to, that's it.
Okay.
Do like not mechanics. Mechanics people, they like push.
Uh-huh.
No,
You just wanna-
body shop guys. They just
drop it.
close.
Okay.
And it's like it's strong enough.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're not gonna drive like 200 per mile, so.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah.
Maybe with a bigger turbo.
Oh yes. yes. Now just need sanding down and spray.
Yeah, it looks insane.
Yeah. Hard to say, but this is the BMW batch.
Oh my lord, you got these done?
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, that's low, isn't it?
That one.
I see. See.
Yeah, this line going this, that one go down.
Okay.
If you want, we can try to fit it later anyway. I need to spray proper color, your color, and do some blending for color match, and that's it.
Only one screw? Oh, it's just held into that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just 2 screws on the bottom. This one you can just a little bit loose. You don't need to remove it even.
When I take this to a car show, I'll have to put like a fragile tape. Do not touch. The BMW.
It's not like big difference, you know?
No, it's a OEM plus, you know. One thing I thought about that could make it stand out a lot more, if you painted these sections like black,
No.
that would obviously be...
No, it's up to you. I can spray.
Yeah.
I can spray that. Now it's only primer. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And the BMW badge.
yeah.
What do you think? Is this a good idea or too much? It makes the vent stand out a lot more.
This velvet will be wide. One didn't see this length.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Now it's more sporty.
But is it too much?
More aggressive, isn't it?
It's definitely more aggressive.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have just made it to Mad Mario's garage. We pulled up in the Vauxhall Grandland X. Shout out to them because they sorted out a courtesy car for me basically to run around in while they had the Scirocco. And as you can probably see, the car is, I think, done. We just need to stick the front VW badge on. The car looks good. The car looks insane. Bro, and the wings, oh my god. I'm lost for words. That's crazy. Someone messaged me saying, do like a badge delete on the front. Maybe that's not a bad idea. Like, it looks so mean and just, bro, it looks crazy. Gas. It looks good without a front badge actually, don't it?
We didn't put because of you. Maybe you wanna do some put some other badge.
Or the BMW badge, yeah.
BMW badge or whatever.
Troll the internet.
Your badge still inside. Yeah, just we try to play with this clip. Need to change new one, something like that. And
Well,
it's not from TPS. TPS is quality.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that explains
That's
why.
why.
Fair enough.
That's why we don't have even an account with them, you know.
I thought it was
No.
top quality.
No.
No?
That's the second hand
I see.
from eBay. Like from them, it looks like similar, but it's not going in. So
Interesting.
this bit is not going in. That place is annoying. I hate this thing, but it's no big problem. Like
No.
I said, even you can try to find on eBay, you know, second hand,
Yeah.
or I can try to find on eBay second hand.
But the car looks crazy. I think we done the right move by not wrapping the front,
Black bits, yeah.
because it would be too much in a sense, you know.
It's my big because it was, you know, primer it. It's all like gray primer.
Yeah, it looked.
And then it looks like something very plus BMW letters. So, yeah, it looks something, but when it's white,
Yeah, it actually
straight
looks.
away all different.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can
yeah.
see vents, everything.
Yeah, you can. And even without the front badge, it looks good.
But yeah, like all fiberglass, after who knows, maybe 1 month or half year, they start cracking.
So
So
I'm gonna be coming back soon.
But it's like pretty cool quality, but still it's not perfect, you know. It's not
Yeah.
metal, it's
No,
fiberglass.
it's so strange lifting the bonnet up and not hearing something cracking in the corner.
Yeah, like,
Yeah, some dodgy snapping noises.
and you remember how to close the bonnet, innit?
Yes, ideally drop it, yeah?
I did it, like,
Yeah, boom.
that's it. Leave it, no push.
Yeah, no pushing. You can see the vents from the inside as well. Bro, that is sick. That is sick. Back in the Rocco, no more Vauxhall Grandland family car. Well, hey, mate, I've not driven this car in what feels like forever, but it's been like 3 days or so. glad to be back. Glad to be back in the Rocco, man. And for once, the front end of the car isn't completely busted up. So we got the new bonnet on the car, and I think because one of the vents are right above the air intake, listen to this. I'm gonna give it half a bar of boost. It's sick. You can hear the turbo. So much more. Like the turbo flutter is out of this world. Let's give it a little bit in second gear here. Bro. Like this map is mental. I am genuinely mind blown. I think it's gotten better. I think the car has gotten faster the longer we had the map on. Not that that makes any sense, but it's just insane. Like look at this, second gear, ease into it. You have to drive the car with traction off. Like you have to. Otherwise, it's just cutting power, like non-stop. Second gear, even with good tires, you're just spinning the whole time. The moment you lower your windows, you can hear the turbo flutters, the air intake, like never before now. It is so cool. If it wasn't loud enough before, it's definitely loud enough now. Check it out, we picked up some new hinges for the bonnet as well. And this is what the car's looking like right now. It's just insane. Like when the lighting is right, you can see the vents so clearly. Like this is this is so awesome. But as you can see, there's a reason why we need new hinges. And that's because the ones from TPS don't quite fit with this bonnet. So we got these genuine ones from someone on Facebook Marketplace. Fingers crossed, these will solve our problem. This side with the front bumper isn't too bad, but every single time you drive it, it kind of pops out a little bit, so you have to kick it back into place. And on this side, yeah, that's just really bad, isn't it? So I need to source new front bumper clips, and fingers crossed we can eventually get this looking much better. But the bonnet itself is just beautiful. Let me know in the comment section below whether we should put the VW badge on, or should we do like a badge delete and smooth that part over, because the car looks good without a badge. With this new bonnet and the new wings, man, when we get these hinges fitted as well, obviously that will hopefully look a little cleaner with the lines and everything, and less of a gap there. Mate, it is coming together. Also, a couple days ago, Michael, aka the other stuff, was in Peterborough doing some work on his BMW E46. So I drove up there, I took him out in the Scirocco.
That's insane.
And I think he had a good time. The car for some reason was beyond lively that day. Like some days the car's like more calm, and other days it's just out to try and kill you and try and torque steer you into a tree or something. I don't know. It was so lively that day. It was sick.
Mate, I'm downstairs, come on.
With the help of eTuners Motorsport Columbia, hopefully we can have one final map on the car, take it to the dyno, take it to Santa Pod, because this map right now, I love it, but we could maybe go a bit further, to the absolute limit, or possibly beyond the limit of the Conrods. Thank you for supporting the channel, guys. I've got a massive announcement, end of the month as well, that it's not only going to be big for High on Boost, it's going to be massive for the channel as well. It's gonna be sick, bro.